The Executive Director, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, says the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 is determined to take all necessary steps to overcome the supply challenges the country is experiencing and ensure an efficient rollout of COVID-19 vaccination in Nigeria. He gave the assurance in Abuja at the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 national briefing.
In spite of the challenges caused by the delay in the arrival of the vaccines and the difficult task of accessing the COVID-19 vaccines, we are optimistic that the experiences and manpower acquired from eradicating polio and Ebola will help us in the effective implementation of the COVID-19 vaccination program when the vaccines become available. The federal government of Nigeria is engaging in several discussions, including with the African Union Commission to access COVID-19. The African Union Commission, through the African Vaccine Acquisition Task Team, has approved approximately 41 million doses of a combination of the Pfizer, AstraZeneca, and the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccines to be delivered between March and April 2021. This will replace the earlier communicated 100,000 doses of Pfizer mRNA vaccines, which we all agreed was grossly inadequate. This is because in the short and long term, it will afford the nation a more capable health workforce with globally standardized infrastructural improvement that will not only serve in this fight against COVID-19 disease, but also place the country in a better position to seamlessly undertake routine health services and manage any potential future pandemics. This is in line with the recent observation and recommendations made by our donors and development partners. We also had the 2021 first quarter meeting with the Northern Traditional Leaders Committee on Primary Healthcare Delivery with the theme COVID-19 vaccination. The meeting was presided over by His Eminence, the Sultan of Sokoto, who gave the assurance that the religious and traditional leaders will continue to support government's efforts to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. He further urged people to desist from circulating rumors and misconceptions, but rather to be open-minded to gain accurate knowledge about the vaccine. The traditional leaders' influence on the society cannot be overemphasized. Therefore, his assertions were confident that it will help in the mobilization of community members and impact positively in rebuilding the trust of Nigerians to accept COVID-19 vaccines. So far, all the COVID-19 vaccines currently available and administered in different parts of the world have been shown to be highly effective at preventing the disease. The information out there that the COVID-19 vaccine contains harmful elements that alters the DNA is patently false. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines do not interact with our DNA in any way. mRNA never enters the nucleus of the cell, which is where our DNA, that is the genetic material, is located.